welcome. Take this moment for yourself to pause, to breathe, and to come home to the present moment. Let your eyes gently close or soften your gaze. Begin by taking deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply. Feel your lungs expand. Hold and exhale slowly. Letting go of any tension. One more deep breath in. Hold and exhale fully. Completely. Now let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Soft, easy, effortless. Allow your shoulders to drop away from your ears. Relax your jaw. Unclench your hands. Soften your belly. There's nothing you need to do right now. Know where you need to be. This moment is enough. Feel the weight of your body resting against the surface beneath you. Notice how it supports you completely. You are safe here. You are supported. Bring your awareness gently to your breath. Notice the cool air as it enters through your nose. And the warmth as you exhale. Let each breath guide you deeper into stillness. With each inhale, invite in peace. With each exhale, let go of tensions, thoughts, or worries. Now gently bring your attention to your body. Start at the crown of your head and slowly scan down. Soften your forehead. Relax the space around your eyes. Unclench your jaw. Feel your neck lengthen. Your shoulders melt down. Bring awareness to your chest. Feel it rise and fall with each breath. Move your attention to your arms, down to your hands and fingers. Notice any sensation and allow them to soften. Now your belly. Let it relax. Let it expand naturally with each inhale. Feel your hips, your legs, down to your knees, your calves, your ankles, all the way to your feet and your toes. Your whole body relaxed, present, still. Now take a moment just to be. Rest in this stillness. If your mind wanders, gently return to your breath. With a gentle rise and fall. Now I invite you to bring to mind something you are grateful for. It can be a person, a moment, a feeling. Let it rise naturally. Feel that gratitude in your body. Let it spread through your chest, your heart, your whole being. Let it fill you up from the inside out. You are here. You are here. You are enough. You are held in this quiet moment of peace. And now begin to return quietly to the space around you. Feel your body again, supported beneath you. Begin to deepen your breath. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Maybe roll your shoulders or gently sway your head side to side. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment. Notice how you feel. carry this stillness with you. This peace is always within you, waiting to be remembered. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. Be gentle with yourself as you move through your day.